Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to self-install Sparklight internet. So first of all, of course guys, gather your equipment before starting the installation. That will include Sparklight self-installation kit. It typically includes a modem or router or gateway, coaxial cable, Ethernet cable, power adapter, and of course any necessary papers, instructions, a working electrical outlet near your modem's location, a coaxial cable connection to ensure that the wall jack or the place where Sparklight provides your signal will of course be. After that guys, unbox and inspect the equipment. Carefully unbox all the components in the installation kit. Check for any visible damage and ensure everything is included in the kit. If anything is missing, well, you will have to handle that by returning and receiving the other kit that includes all the necessary stuff. Okay, after that choose the right location for the modem. Select the optimal spot for your modems, typically near a coaxial cable outlet or close to a power outlet. It's ideal to place it in a central location if you want a strong Wi-Fi coverage throughout the house, so in the entire house. Avoid placing it near thick walls or electronics that could cause interference with the signal. After that, connect the coaxial cable to the modem. Take the coaxial cable and connect the end to the coaxial port on your Sparklight, god damn it, I can't pronounce that name, modem router. Connect the other end to the coaxial outlet on the wall. Ensure the connection is secure. After that, connect the power adapter. Plug the power adapter into the back of the modem or router. Plug the other end of the adapter into a nearby electrical outlet. You should see the modem or router begin to power on, and the light will start flashing as it begins to boot up. This process may take a few minutes. After that, connect the modem to your computer or Wi-Fi device. So there are two ways to do this, which is wired and wireless. Take the Ethernet cable and plug it one end of it into the Ethernet port on the back of the modem or the router. Plug the other end into the Ethernet port of your computer or laptop. Now we have wireless. Look for the default Wi-Fi network name and password on a sticker on a back or bottom of the modem or router. On your computer or smartphone, search for the Wi-Fi network name, connect using the provided password. After that, you will have to activate your service. Open a browser on your connected device. You should automatically be redirected to Sparklight activation page. If the page does not load, you can go to activation.sparklight.com. Follow on-screen instructions to activate your internet service. This may involve logging into your Sparklight account or entering some account information. If prompted, restart your modem or router after activation to ensure a stable connection. And that's basically it guys. Once you've followed these steps, you should be all set to enjoy your Sparklight internet service. Guys, if this video helped you, subscribe, like, hit on that notification bell to not miss our new fresh uploads. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.